One of the best ways for you to start making money online is affiliate marketing. Now, the question here is, what is affiliate marketing? How do I start with affiliate marketing, and how do I earn a lot of commission out from affiliate marketing? This video is going to tell you everything about affiliate marketing. But please, anything you have, any question, just leave it in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Very necessary. Like this video. And if today happens to be your first time coming to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new content or a new update. You can join my Telegram and my WhatsApp group. Both the link can be found under the description of this particular video. I share a lot of updates out there, so you can join me there. So let's come back to affiliate marketing. Currently, affiliate marketing hits about 15.7 million users on affiliate platforms. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products to earn commission. That's all about affiliate marketing. Now, I am making video for you to watch it right now. I can just tell you that there is a link under my description to this particular affiliate marketing program. Once you tap on the link, I'm going to earn commission. You tap on the link to register. I'm going to earn commission out from it because I am promoting affiliate marketing video right now here for you as you are watching this particular video. So once you tap using my link, I'm going to earn something based on the link that I've shared with you. That is affiliate marketing. It's basically about, I made a video on Astera. Now, I placed a link under that particular video that get register or register now on Astera. So once anyone clicks on that particular link to get registered, I'm going to earn some commission out from it because I'm promoting the company's products for users or for people to just know that this is Astera. So once anyone clicks on my link, I'm going to earn something out from it. So that's the simplest way you can understand affiliate marketing. Okay, so you are promoting people's products. So once people use your link to get access to the product, you are earning something out from that particular link that you shared with them. Okay, so how do I start with affiliate marketing? Now remember, affiliate marketing, we have the physical way and we have the software way. So the physical, we have to be with one-on-one with the person or one-on-one with the company. We are making terms and conditions in order for you to promote their product. Okay, that is the physical aspect of affiliate marketing. So it can be something like dress, some shoes, some anything physical. You are just trying to make terms and conditions with a company in order for you to promote this shoes or physical means to others. So once you just reach out to people out there and they get to buy the things through you, you are going to earn commission out from it. And the other way is the software aspect. That have to do with the link or how to share the link. Okay, so it can be something to do with how to make money online. Please check under the description. There is a link there. Tap on it to get registered. Once you tap on it, I am making some commission out from it. That is affiliate marketing for you. So how do you start with affiliate marketing? How do I start? What are the things I need? What are the informations or what are the requirements I have to start with affiliate marketing? Now, in order for you to start with affiliate marketing, please, you have to have a target audience. Target audience is very, very important. That's the first thing for you to consider before you can start with affiliate marketing. So in order for you to get a targeted audience, you have to choose a niche and build a platform. Very necessary. So what is niche? Now, I'm making money on how I am making videos on how to make money online. Now, do you think someone who is interested in fashion, someone who is interested in entertainment will come and watch this particular video? No, because this video is about finance. So it's just willing for people who are ready to make money online are watching this particular video right now here. Okay, that is how you have to choose a particular niche on your platforms. So you want to promote people's product, you want to sell product to others, and you are making videos, or let's say the product you want to share with others is about finance, it's about money. Now you can build a platform which is based on fashion. Okay, so which means that your niche should have something, or you should have some connection with your platform in order for you to get a lot of engagement with that particular product that you are selling. So you have to make sure to get a good niche and build a platform based on the topic, based on the products, based on the connections that you have to get between the company and your platform. And also you have to, as I said, a targeted audience. That's going to help you get a targeted audience. Very necessary. So you can do so online. Let's say you are creating WhatsApp groups, you are creating Facebook groups or Facebook pages, TikTok. You can also share that with any kind of social media, Instagram, YouTube, anything. There you can build a platform. So maybe you went to your Facebook, you created a group. Let's say the group is about how to make money, which means we are coming to let's say promote things concerning money only. There shouldn't be something to do with fashion or entertainment or other stuffs out there. It should be money things out there which will be promoted on that particular platform. So that is all about choose a niche and build a platform. So you can build your platforms on YouTube, Facebook. Make sure to build something, okay, in order for you to get a high engagement and targeted audience. Now, the second here is you have to find affiliate marketing programs. There are a lot of affiliate marketing programs currently on the system, a lot of them, a very, very lot of them. So depending on the type of affiliate marketing that you are engaging yourself in. So let's say you are reaching out to different affiliate programs, just like Amazon Associates, you are doing share stores, you are doing clickbanks or AJ affiliates, all have to do with you selecting that particular affiliate program. So you have to find a particular affiliate program or what the affiliate program is about in order for you to know your targeted audience. So if it is about, or your program that you are going to, or affiliate program that you're choosing is about, let's say fashion, that means you have to build your targeted audience based on fashion. So I learned it's very good. Please, if you know you're enjoying this particular content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as this video proceed as well. In addition, you have to create quality content, very, very quality. If it is video that you're trying to make, please make sure that your video is coming out with something good or something educative from the particular video. If it's a picture, you have to make sure it is HD, very quality, for people to know that this is what you are trying to promote for them. Okay, very, very important. In addition, try to produce well-made information and engaging content. Very, very important. Be honest and genuine when promoting a product. You have to be genuine, and also what, you have to be honest when giving out the product to people. You have to be honest. Make sure that if it is A, please tell them it is A. If it is B, let them know that it is B. Let them know how the links work, how they can contact and everything. So it's very, very important. You have to stick closely to your topic. Very necessary. Stick closely to your topic. So your content that you are trying to produce is to stick closely to your topic. So let's say you are trying to talk about money or finance. Let's say you're trying to talk about finance or entertainment. I'm using money and fashion and entertainment in order not to get you confused, okay? So let's say you're trying to talk about finance. Your topic should be based on something finance, just as my YouTube channel here. Now, I'm just making videos on how to make money only. I don't talk about anything else. There are a lot of content out there which talk about entertainment, which talks about fashion, music, a lot. Okay, so you have to come out with something very closely to your topic. Now, my topic here is how to make money every day. So my content here is how to make money, and it is always giving people some information, something very, very engaging for them. And I'm always honest and genuine, which means I'm giving out a quality content on my YouTube channel here. So kindly subscribe to the channel as you're watching this particular video. Very, very important. Okay, so after you finish with all this, you have to optimize your content. Optimize your content. Now, how do I optimize my content? In order for you to know how to optimize your content, please make sure to learn what we call SEO. SEO. If you don't know anything about that, just search in the search engine SEO. What is SEO? SEO is going to teach you how you can get engagement to your platform. If it is Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, SEO is going to teach you how you can get a lot of people on your platform, because you know that your first priority is your targeted audience. Now, if you have few people, do you think your products, you're going to earn a lot of commission? No, you're not going to earn a lot of commission. So it's better for you to build up with a great content and a great targeted audience. So in order for you to reach out to a higher number of people engaging to your content, please you have to learn SEO in order for you to know the strategies in building a content or building a page, group, platform, or anything like that in order for you to promote your product to people. So the more they buy or the more they use a link to buy, the more you earn. So you know that affiliate marketing online is about sharing links. So you can see people on WhatsApp, they will be sharing links, trying to buy people, like get people attention to buy something from them so they can get some commission out from it. So you have to know that. In addition, you have to implement tracking and analytics. Okay, so you have to be tracking your page, know where your engagement is coming from. You have to know how the growth of your page is going, whether it's going higher or low. And you have to also know that your product that you are selling, is it reaching out to your targeted audience? Are they using the link to purchase it? Or you have to change it. You have to also check out all this. And you have to leverage on the data based on the analytics. So after gathering all this information, you therefore have to settle down to know that after getting to know the data or making the tracking and analytics, I'm getting to know that this is the data or this is the number of people purchasing my product. This is the number of people not interested. Then you have to know how to sort things out on your platform. So let's come back and then summarize everything. First of all, you have to have a targeted audience, that is, choose a niche and build a platform. Secondly, you have to find an affiliate programs. There are a lot of affiliate programs. We have a lot of them. You have the Amazon Associate, you have the Shell Sales, you have the ClickBanks, you have the AJ, you have the Digistem, a lot of them out there. Okay, so just look out for the best in order for you to build a particular content based on it. So the third one, you talk about creating quality content, very very important. And the last one is optimize your content. And I bet you, if you focus on these four, you are going to earn a lot of commission out from your product that you're going to share out there. So this is basically about affiliate marketing, and I believe you're going to help learn a lot of this, because affiliate marketing, people are earning a lot from it. Please note that working online to earn money is a consistency work, okay? So you just have to keep your consistency and keep calm. Things are going to work perfectly for you, and I trust the process. Make sure you're doing the right thing, and then you are good to go. So hopefully this is all about affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to know, or if you don't know the ideas of the types of affiliate programs. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll start making videos on how you can get affiliate content or affiliate programs, the types of them, in order for you to get to understand the types of affiliate programs you have to engage yourself in. Okay, so thank you for watching this particular video, and I hope you found this particular video very educative and also informative. I hope to see you in my next video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a nice comment, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.